Don't treat me like the rest of these peasants on here. I'm here for business. I'm here handling business. Do not treat me like these peasants. I want to be separated and differentiated from them. You gonna be suited and booted, or what? You gonna be in street clothes?
Sometimes.
Asking a question.
I mean, it depends on how I feel. You know what I'm saying?
All right. Well, how you feeling right now?
I'm feeling sleepy.
Did they give you any extra special treatment when you was out on the plane?
Nope.
Okay. So why'd you dress up? You wanted to look nice?
Oh, it was because my bag was too heavy. And
You had to wear the most heaviest thing? Funny. Okay. Well, next time that you looking like that, you better use that mouthpiece. Women don't have any real defenses for a handsome young man that's smiling and being courteous. For real. If you're gonna be dressed up, might as well get the perks. For real. Only people you see dressed up is people handling business. Don't treat me like the rest of these peasants on here. I'm here for business. I'm here handling business. Do not treat me like these peasants. I want to be separated and differentiated from them. For real.
everybody kept saying, your backpack is so heavy, bro.
Yeah, of course. Brought your whole life in here.
Of course, I brought my entire life, man. I mean, I looked at everything I would ever need and then like write down the uses of why I would need each one and then combine the uses and then eliminated the things I needed the least.
Cool.
And then I optimized again. I was looking up TSA, what can I bring? I found out weight equipment don't work. I couldn't take my leg weights with me. I was like, man, I can't wear these through TSA. But you know, it all worked out and I got everything straight, so.
Cool.
The majority of stuff was closed. But I got a couple books. Oh, I have a gift for you.
You got a gift for me?
Yeah. A gift for you and your wife. A gift for you, and then I bought another thing for your wife, but I got a gift for you specifically. Because I remember when you were doing, like, you want to do speaking engagements or whatnot?
Yeah.
Most definitely got a book about speaking engagements that's pretty good from somebody who's a really good speaker.
Cool.
They gave me the book because they found it very helpful. And I met her in Chicago, so most definitely going to pass them on to you. Because I'm like, if anyone should succeed, it should be you. You know what I'm saying? Because you got the skills.
You should speak on a daily basis. And what I'm going to end up showing you is my artist journal. I did this exercise where you were supposed to, they call it your morning pages. And you're supposed to, when you first wake up, or near when you first wake up, is you write down whatever thoughts come to your mind. You spend 3 minutes doing that.
Yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I didn't follow the program like I was supposed to, in that I didn't do it right when I woke up.
Mm-hmm.
But I would get it done throughout the day, and I'd spend 6 minutes talking into the camera versus writing things down on paper.
Okay.
And it really helped me being able to feel comfortable on camera.
Mm-hmm.
And also speaking. Now, you may not necessarily have that challenge, but I had that challenge because I always had people like trying to censor me and tell me what I could and couldn't say. So just pick this Negro up from the airport. And we just finished getting boba, and now we headed back to the house. That's 4 minutes and 46 seconds. Man, came suited and booted.
This coat was too heavy to put in there.
I got you. I'm not knocking it. I'm just saying what I'm saying. Negro came through like he was finna give a speech. He's headed on a business meeting with this big heavy bags. 2 of them. He gonna see that he overpacked. Yeah. Clean out some space for him. Yeah, we'll see. I'll skirt away. Pain in the ass, but it's all good.
You gonna work out with me?
Yeah, I'll work out with you.
Early in the morning, or are you going to do it after work?
I don't want to work. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not gonna work out this
Morning. Most definitely gonna sleep off the jet lag, but
yeah.
We most definitely can work out.
In the mornings, yeah, I'm with that. I need to incorporate that into my regimen.
What time you want to start it? 5, 6?
I don't like waking up early.
I can change that. You can drink coffee.
I don't drink coffee. Tea.
Okay,
I got
great. Gonna go online and buy you some stuff to keep you awake. Got you. No, not yet. You gonna trust me. Once you trust me, I'm gonna put you on.
All right.
Yeah, your boy been doing the mad scientist thing, and he found out, oh, okay, this and that.
Have you been doing the experimentation?
Yeah.
Or has it all been theory?
I've done a lot of experimentation, and also I've had other people to do experimentation, and I've gotten their feedback. Most people, okay, great. So it's not just me. And then I also read some stuff as well. So it's like all of it's coming together, and it's like, finally, my dreams are being realized. And I can talk in depth about my whole journey and everything that I've been doing. It's been a funny, wild, crazy hell of a story. I remember one time, because caffeine doesn't work with me. You know, I drunk, you know, Celsius? I drunk 2 Celsius and like a Red Bull, and I fell asleep 2 minutes after.
Yeah.
But I've just never been able to feel caffeine for real.